Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can inflate a bubble balloon. As you can see on screen, this is the bubble balloon. It's of 18 inch, and these are the transparent balloons. You can easily found on Amazon or any online sites. I have purchased this balloon which are from the brand Lazy Bee. It is available on Amazon. I have purchased this, and here in this packet I got 5 balloons. I will mention the link in the description for reference if you want to buy such this type of bubble balloons, and please do check it out. These are really amazing. I have already tried it twice, and there are few mistakes which I made. I will tell you in this video which you can avoid. And okay, let's move forward and let's try to inflate our bubble balloon. So this is exactly how it looks. Look, these are transparent. You can look on my screen. These are transparent. These are called bobo balloons, or you can also call them bubble balloon. Okay, these have big nozzles over here. Look, the nozzle is really big. You can see. Okay, and these are like this. Look, there are certain things we have to do before inflating them. You cannot directly put pump or electric pump or any hand pump, and you cannot inflate it like this. You have to bring it in a form where they are able to blow up to their maximum limit. So let's start. The first part we have to do is we have to stretch them. Okay, and we have to make sure that all the ends, these edges which are over here, these are been stretched, because if they are not, your bubble balloon will burst and you will not get the maximum or the desired required size of it. Okay, so let's start. We have to first start with the stretch. So let's start it. It's a big process. I will also tell you in between what you have to do. So first let's start stretching it, and then in between I'll let you know what exactly it is. So let's start it. Okay, so the first tip is we can blow it once. It has not reached to the required form, but we have to still blow it once, so that it will make easier for us to stretch it more. Okay, so let's stretch it. And also, so let's pump the air in it, and let's see. It will help once if you blow it. Blow the air in it, it will help you to stretch it more. Okay, it will make it easy. So that's the reason we should blow in between once or twice as per the requirement, and your bubble balloon will be ready. And see, I can feel the this area, it's still not stretched. It feels plain to me. In between it is obviously wrinkled, so this area is good, but the area over here, it has not yet stretched. So let's try to stretch from here. And the way I'm stretching, don't worry, it will never tear out, because it is of good quality, and they have the quality of getting stretched to a good limit. So it is getting reaching to a limit, but not that limit which I want it. So I will give it one more stretch again, and it will be the final stretch, and then this bubble balloon is ready to get. I guess this is the final stretch which I made. Blown up to this limit. Look, it is like, if you have electric pump, you can definitely, it will ease you out your little bit of work, but I have this pump, and it just took me little bit of more time and energy. So once this has been inflated to the exact desired limit, which has been mentioned in the packet also. So mine was mentioned 18 inches, and I think I have reached up to that limit. I will not blow it up more than this, because I fear it will get burst. So I am not going to blow it up more than this. It is what exactly I require, and here it has been done. So once it is done, you can always have a long elastic long balloons which has been available. Even this has been taken purchased from Amazon. I will also mention the link for this type of, and you can tie it up over here and wrap it, and then you can make the knot over here.